Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing for January of 2025. Let's go and get right into this. So this is the base box. Of course, Ipsy bought BoxyCharm out. Let me go ahead and show you everything that comes in here, and I'm going to be applying them on my face today. That's why I'm not wearing any makeup. So let's see what we got. You have a little card that tells you a little bit about the stuff that's in here. And this is everything that's in here. Now, let's start out with foundation. I did actually buy this foundation. I actually bought one a couple months ago, which was the regular. I really liked it. It's a little light, so I went in with a darker shade. This one was shade medium 033, and this is medium shade 045. So it should be a little more warmer for when I am like wearing my tanning lotion. This may actually be a little too dark for me. I'm gonna see right now. But really good price. This was an add-on, and this was $20. It regular retails for like more around $45. So that was a steal. And this is Good Apple by Kat Von D. Before I actually apply this, I want to try some tinted moisturizer. I did already put some retinol cream that I actually got in a BoxyCharm a few months ago, which is this right here. So that's all that I have on my skin. I took a shower, washed it, then put that on. So this is the next thing that I got. It is by this brand right here, and it is a Sheer Glow Strawberry Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer. So I am down for a tinted moisturizer. So let me go ahead and apply this, and then I'll apply the foundation on top of that. That's what it looks like. Super cute packaging. It is sealed. And I'm just, ooh, that just squeezed out a lot. So it does have a really nice scent to it. That actually looks really pretty. Like if you're just not wanting to really put on makeup, this is really pretty. You can see it's helping to neutralize all those like red tones, which I do really like. I'm gonna have to apply a little bit more up here, and that should be it. That's really pretty. That's why I like BoxyCharm. You'll get stuff that normally you wouldn't really necessarily think about buying, but when you get to try something out and then you see how it works on your skin, it makes it a lot more, it just opens the horizon, and you're more likely to buy something that you maybe normally would not have bought. That's really pretty on the skin. And it smells really nice. So let's go ahead and apply the foundation real quick. See what it looks like. See, that is a really good match. I really like this foundation. It's very lightweight and just like kind of melts into your skin, but still gives really good coverage, but it doesn't make your skin look like super cakey. See how well it's just like blending in. I do need a little bit more on my forehead, so I'm going to put like a half of a pump. It's probably too much, but we'll just blend it in. So as you can see, this shade is absolutely beautiful. I'm glad I went with a deeper shade this time. It's not like a really big difference, as you can see. Like, you can barely see the difference, but it is a little more, like, has a more yellow tone, which is what I needed. So that's everything, like all the makeup stuff. So let me go ahead. I'm going to finish applying my makeup, and then I'm going to show you everything else that I got in my box. Okay, I finished applying my makeup. Next thing that was in the box is this right here. Like I said, they are brightening skin pads. It comes with 50, and it has lactic acid and plant extracts. I'm not going to be opening this right now because I am using some other face pads that are similar to this, and I don't want to waste these right now. So I'm going to be opening up this later. So next thing that's in the box is this right here. It is by the brand Verb, and it is like a weightless hair mask that's for fine to medium hair. It's weightless. It softens your hair and it conditions it. It's called the Ghost Mask. And I'm really excited. My hair is super thin. Right now I have it curled, but like all my hair together is seriously this. Like I don't have a lot. I'm able to make my hair look a little more fuller by the way that I style it. I've been trying not to put as much heat. I'm trying to get it healthy and to grow it out because my hair used to be down to here, but with bleaching it, it doesn't grow very fast. Let me go ahead and see what this smells like because I will be using this like ASAP. I have a lot of hair masks, but I like to switch between hair masks. I feel like they just work better when you switch through. So it doesn't have a very strong scent. It's just very light and clean smelling. It really doesn't have a specific scent. It just smells very clean. So I will be using this. So next thing that's in the box is this right here. It is by that brand. It is a Clean Luxury Perfume Travel Spray, which I always love. Really nice perfume. I've been using the Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume. That's my husband's favorite. Let me go ahead and show you that real quick. So this has been my go-to perfume just because my husband loves it so much. It's very clean and it adjusts to your own natural body scent. So it's not going to smell the same on every person. It's going to smell different. So let's go ahead and see what this one smells like. Whew, got in my nostrils. That's very clean smelling. It just has like a very sweet kind of flower, like a floral smell. It smells really good. I actually really like this one. It's very strong, and that is a ton of perfume. This is one that I'll actually be wearing a lot. Some of the ones that I get in here, I'm not really big on the smell, and so I still have like full size. I may actually give them to my daughters because I'm not big on them. And they're supposed to be like more high-end brands, but not a fan. Okay, last thing that's in the box is this right here, and it is by MAC, and it is a Locked Kiss 24-hour lipstick in the shade Meticulous, shade 67. This is what it looks like. It should be like that shade, which looks up my alley. I don't know, it may be a little dark for me. I love the packaging. Ooh, this looks very dark. A lot darker than I thought it would. And I don't like how you can't close it. So let me go ahead and put a lip liner on before I apply this. But it looks like it's going to be a little too dark for me. So I may have to just like lightly put it on. I'm going to use the lip liner by Milani in the shade 04 All Natural. It's like my favorite lip liner. I got my sister addicted to this one. Okay. Okay, got me that on. Now let's go ahead and apply this. Okay, the shade's not too dark. It's actually a really pretty shade. Now I'm sure you could work it up a lot darker. I don't want it to be much darker than this. That's what it looks like. It looks really pretty with my skin tone in my makeup. Now, normally when I wear this lip liner, I like to go in with the MAC shade 8 25, and it's called Blankety. This is a really pretty like nude shade. As you can see, this has been my go-to. But this is the Lock Kiss. So I'm excited to try this out. I will definitely be wearing this. I really like the shade. I honestly love everything that I got in this box this month. That's not an everyday thing. Like, I usually don't love everything, but I do have to say I loved everything. And just to let you know, I did show you the foundation. After that, for bronzer, I just went in with the Iconic London, this little palette right here, which is the multi-use cream blush, bronze, and highlight palette. So I just went in with this shade right here, and then to darken up the cheekbones, I went in with that. For eyeshadow, I went in with the Violet Voss palette, which is this one. I love this palette. It's really, really expensive, but you can find it on Mercari, super cheap. But I went in with this shade, like all over the lid. Then I kind of went in this with this shade and this shade in the crease, and then I worked this shade on the outer quarters, and then this underneath the lashes. And then for blush, I went in with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk in the shade 62. This is a beautiful blush. Like, I love it. It's very natural looking, and it's not too much. But with my brows, I just went in with a brow pencil. You can use anything you want. I do henna my brows, so they're, like, you can tell, like in the beginning of this video, they were already colored in, so I very lightly have to do that. And then I go in with some Mary Kay brow gel to set it. But that is everything that I received in the box. Let me go ahead and see how much this month was, because I know that I got a really good box this month. Okay, so the total value of the variation that I received was $235, which is crazy. But that's not counting the foundation. I did spend an extra $20 for this separately, which is totally worth it. I've been using this other one like non-stop, and it's still like full. A little bit goes a long way. I would say 2 pumps for the entire face. And you can see it doesn't look cakey. But they do sell out of this. So I bought it, the first one, a couple months ago, and I hadn't seen it in the charm room or the add-on room since, and they added it this month. So January 1st, they re-added it, and so I rebought another one. I should have probably bought a couple, because you can seriously buy 2 of these on the add-ons for the price that you could normally just buy one. So that's a steal. And I would compare this being just as good as my Estee Lauder Double Wear. I have very oily skin, and I find that this foundation does last me. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. God bless.